In this lesson, we want to explain commands for array and align. We have already imported several objects. For example, these three objects are drawn on top of each other. If we want to determine which object is higher or lower, we have to right click on a desired object and arrange. Bring forward, bring that object forward 1. As you can see, bring 2 forward. Position, bring the object on all of the other objects. Send backward, move object backward 1 by 1. The send to back takes the object under all objects. There are two cases of horizontal flip and vertical flip for mirroring objects, as you can see. Okay, there are two general categories in align. As you can see, if you right click on one object, they are not active. You have to select several objects to align. The upper category is used to align the objects that are in a vertical position from each other, like this tree. The lower category is used to align objects that are in a horizontal position of each other, like this, like these three logos. Of course, both of categories can be used in any situation, but the performance of each category is different. For example, for upper category, we have to select all these three logos to be active. And now you can align to left, Ctrl Z to back, align to center, and align to right. Okay, the same is true for second category. Select these three logos, align to top, align to middle, and align to bottom. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.